my god. I just paid off my final college bill, so I'm done. I had a few minutes before work and I got my paycheck early this morning, so it feels really good. It feels... I'm gonna go text my best friend and tell him, because he's been waiting to hear. I just realized that it's like 3 a.m. his time, so he's gonna wake up and have a message from me that just says, I paid off my final college bill. What a wake up. I wish I could wake up to that from a friend. Pick up.
It's our fault, it's dark.
We got the sanding and the mudding done. Tomorrow morning we're gonna sand some more and then paint. So I'm really tired. I'm gonna go sleep now. Ooh.
So like if you look here, you may want to run your roller over that. Because if you kind of look sideways, I see.
It's done. Well, layer one is done. The second coat's done. We just finished. It's 6 o'clock. We've been working pretty much since 10 this morning. We had to run back to the store to get more paint at one point. So really not that bad. It's crazy. This wall looks black now. It's very pink. There, you can see it better there. So we're gonna go get me a new bed frame and eat some dinner. Hello. It's September 1st. Oh, I love September. It's a lot better than August. I'll give it that. I could just be biased because my birthday is in September. Good morning, hair. Not a ton of stuff to do today, but enough. This tomorrow is Labor Day, so there's no work. got my room pretty much situated with how it's going to be. We moved all the furniture back into the right places. Oh look, there I am. We got all the furniture back into the right places. I got all my stuff out of the spare bedroom into this one. So I got it kind of where I want it. I'm gonna stop and have lunch and then come back in and see if I like where it's at or if I'm gonna need to move things anymore. I'm really excited because I just ordered a really nice printer online. So as of hopefully next weekend, I'll be able to start doing more artist prints from home, and which means I can get more online quicker and cheaper. It's so exciting. Hi, welcome to my first night in my new room. I'm gonna try a different vlogging angle, see how I like it. I'm about to edit a YouTube video and then hopefully draw for a little bit before I go to sleep. The rest of this video is pretty much going to be Dorian updates. He's category 5 now. So. Work called in last night saying that I have work today. Dorian's not here yet. He's supposed to hit either tonight or tomorrow night. We had family over last night to celebrate my birthday, so I didn't film anything. If nothing really happens with the hurricane, I'm probably not gonna film a ton either. But I have 2 exciting things. I work about 100 meters from a Barnes & Noble. I don't know why I'm suddenly measuring things in meters. I've been walking distance of a Barnes & Noble, and often I walk over there on lunch. And today I got an email that 2 books I've been waiting, their sequels in series that I'm reading, came out today. And so I'm gonna go pick them up. If anything exciting happens the rest of the day, I'll be vlogging, but if not, I'll check back in with you tonight and let you know how the hurricane's looking. I looked online and it said that my Barnes & Noble didn't have either of the books, but I don't want to believe that. So they just opened and I'm on my 15-minute break. Figure it's within walking distance, so I'm gonna go double check anyways. Their online didn't live. Well, I'm heavily disappointed, but I got to see a really cool frog outside, so that's a plus, right? Hi everyone, it's September 4th. Today was the day Dorian hit, and I didn't video anything of him because he didn't hit us. He just went on the East Coast and we're kind of Central Florida, so I had a day off work. I was home, I was working on things, but no Dorian. And then we got a new nightstand for me, and we got some of my room, the final bits of my room rearranged. Now there's only like 2 things that need to be put up. Anyways, we're having the most beautiful sunset right now, and we're having some nice cooler weather. I can at least thank Dorian for sending us that, but this is gonna be the end of this video. I will see you guys another time, and I hope you're having a nice day. Bye.